Here to yield. Black motorcycle heading westbound.
Westbound what street?
I'm sorry, we're now going to Ogden.
Ogden and where? A unit start towards Ogden.
Eastbound Lightning from Ogden. Eastbound Lightning from Ogden. Hispanic male, long sleeve, white t-shirt, blue jeans, black backpack, black hair. Heading southbound.
Okay, southbound from Ogden.
We're going southbound now towards University. I think it's
And units I was. Okay, shots fired. Again, shots fired. Okay, shots fired. Again, shots fired.
Put the fuck down! Are you fucking stupid? Lay on your fucking stomach! I got hit, bro! Lay the fuck down! I'm down! You good, partner? You okay, bro? Yeah. You okay, bro? Yeah. Are you hit? I don't know. Yeah. Lay the fuck down! I'm not doing nothing, dude. I'm not doing nothing, buddy. Oh. I don't have my radio. Oh, fine. Alright, we're at Rex and Shiloh. Got any other guns? No. Right there. Okay, bro. I can't move my leg. Just stop moving. Stop.